Are your motion titles feeling flat? Still using the same basic text animations you learned 3 years ago? It's time to stand out. Text distortion effects, the ultimate toolkit to transform any text into a mind-bending, abstract, and trend-setting piece of typography. Stop animating your text and start distorting it. Get instant access to powerful, fully customizable ripple, warp, liquid, melt, and trippy effects that are dominating video feeds right now. The best part? It's built for speed. Everything is easy to use with a simple settings panel to change font, color, and intensity on the fly. Works flawlessly with Adobe After Effects, and for Premiere Pro editors, the included emojrt files make your workflow faster than ever. Whether you're cutting an edgy music video, designing a futuristic brand identity, or just need to grab attention in the first 3 seconds, Text Distortion Effects is the only typography tool you need. Stop blending in, start bending minds. Click the link below to get the Text Distortion Toolkit today.